Okay, here's day 5. Feel all right. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to go 3 miles. That means I'm gonna get probably to the entrance of Spanish Bay. We'll see how I do. I'm feeling good. Jiu-Jitsu was fun last night. I had more endurance than I had, in the past. So my body's responding pretty quick. That's a good sign. A little bit cloudy today, which is actually better than running in the sun, I guess. Okay, time to concentrate on running. We'll come back when I'm halfway there. See if I can do 3 miles. All right. Okay, so here's something you don't see in many places when you run. At least I don't. There's a wild turkey in front of me. I'm gonna turn around and see if you can see it. See it in the middle of the trail? I'll turn back around. Freaking wild turkey. I know they're here on the peninsula. I have never seen them on the trail. He ain't moving. I'm coming by you. Don't worry. Don't get mad. You're pretty. Look. Can you see it? Where are you? Where is it? Can you see it? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Where's the rest of you? Usually you guys run in packs. Whenever I went hunting for you guys, you were never there. Now I go running, get a wild turkey. Actually, there's a sign on this trail that it's mountain lion habitat too. So you don't want to go out at night by yourself. So, okay, I'm gonna sign off again, but that was interesting. All right, made it to the halfway point. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be 3 miles. Feel better, more energetic, but this is only halfway. So let's see. We're now at the entrance to Spanish Bay Resort in Pebble Beach. There it is. I'm in the way. Right there. Spanish Bay. Okay. We're gonna head back. I'll start filming again. Alright. So we're running along the edge of Spanish Bay. Golf course to my left. Spanish Bay is beautiful. If you've never been to Pebble Beach and you come in, go to lunch there at Roy's, or you go to watch the bagpiper play outside at the fire pits at 5 o'clock and close down with the course. It's really, really cool. We helped someone, Terry, buy a condo there. God, 5 years ago now. Or they love it. It's really pretty. So damn. I don't know if you heard that. That was a golf ball. Hit the tree above me. And they didn't yell 4. Boy, wouldn't that be something? Get brained by a ball while I'm running and filming. All right, I'm gonna sign off until I'm done. See how I do. Okay, I did 3.6 miles. I was only planning on doing 3, but it ended up being 3.6. So I think I'm gonna stick with that mileage for now. Get to where I feel comfortable with it. Spam. I swear to God, as a real estate agent, I think I get 10 spam calls a day. It's just a waste of their time and effort. And whatever money they spend on the stupid phone calls, because I never answer. Anyways, yeah. And you know what, speaking of flowers, The gardenias are off the hook this year too. Our flowers are happy. Makes me happy. So 3.6 miles. What did I do? 34.16 minutes, 9.9 minutes, 30-second pace. I felt good, but the last quarter was rough. So I need to stick with this distance and keep doing it until I get comfortable with it so I don't injure myself and just build up my endurance. So another week. Today's Friday. We'll see how next Friday goes. Oh, that breeze feels good. Anyways, that's day 5 in the bucket, all done. Now just to rest and eat and stretch. Bye everybody.